Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Max Online. Today our topic is estimating decimal numbers. Estimating decimal numbers. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Let's start. Look at this. Estimate the answer to the following calculation. Estimation means rounding off. But in the rounding off, they particularly say round of the number to the nearest hundred, nearest thousand, nearest tens. They will particularly say what number should be rounded off. But for the estimation, you should take the highest round off. They will not give round off to what number. So if you see this number 42, ones, tens. So you have to round, the highest place value is tens place value. So here there you have to round the number to the nearest tens. Now if I take the nearest tens, 2 is lesser than 5. So 4 will not change. So this will be 40. And here 19 will be nearest to 20. So here 40 multiply with 20. It's very easy. No need of using calculation. We know 4 2s are 8. We know the number. This is very easy to 4 2s are 8. So we write 8 and there are 2 zeros. So you will copy the 2 zeros. Same thing here. First you check what place value till what place value is given. So this is ones and the highest place value is the tens place value. So you have to round off this number to the nearest tens. So 63 is nearest to 60. And same thing here also ones, tens. So round of 27 to the nearest tens will be 30. Now we know 6 threes are 18. So 6 threes are 18 and this 20 just you will write, copy this. Is it easy? No, without calculator and without any calculation solving the big multiplication you can do it. Now look here. Here the place value is ones, tens, and the highest place value is the 100 here. So we will round off this 198 to the nearest 100. So which will be equal to 200. And 39 ones, tens. So 39 should be rounded off to the nearest tens. So 39 is nearest to tens will be 40. So now you look at this. 4 2s are 8 and there are 2 zeros in 200 and 1 0 in 40. So there are total 3 zeros. So we will write 3 zeros here. Same thing here with 8.9 multiply with 384. 8, 9, you can look here. Here there is a decimal point. So you can do either 8.9 to the whole number as 9 and this nearest to round of the number to the nearest 100 will be 40. So you can take 9 4s are 36 and 2 0. Or you can say in one more way, the estimation 8.9 is closer to 10. So you can directly write 10 and 384 is 400. So 400 when you multiply with 10 gives 4000. Both way it's okay if you done. Estimation can be done in a both way here. Because 8.9 when you round off, it is equal to whole number. It's equal to 9. So you can do either 9 into 400 or 10 into 400. Let's do this one. 55 round off to the nearest tens will be 60. 77 when you round off to nearest tens will be 80. We know 6 8s are 48 and there are 2 zeros, you will copy that. Let's do one more. Look at this. Estimate the answer to the following calculation. Now, round off this number ones, tens, 100, 1000. So round off this number to nearest 1000. So 3984, when you round up this number to nearest thousand, you get 400,000. Divide 41 is rounded to nearest tens will be 40. So you can do either the calculation, you can do this way, 40 ones are 40 and this 20 you can copy, or just you cancel this 0 and 0, 4 ones are 4 and 2 zeros you copy. So you can directly write 100. You can do any, if you want to do this division, you can do the division or you can do complete this one. Now 5872, when you divide with 32, this will be nearest to 1000 will be 6000, divide with 30. So 6000 when you divide with 30, it will be 0 and 0 cancel, and 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, and there are 2 zeros here, you will copy the 2 zeros. So 200 will be the answer. Here you can see 8.972. When you round up this number to the nearest whole number, you will get 9. So I will write it 9 here. So 9, 2.8 when you divide with 3, you get 2.8. When you round up to the whole number, you get 3. So 9 divided with 3 gives 3. So this is the way when you round up the number to the nearest estimation according to the highest place value. I hope you understand. Thank you. Bye everyone.